and I promise to love you every second of every day for the rest of our amazing lives.
I'll turn it slowly so you have a second.
Yeah, give me a minute. Oh, come on, Gabriel. Okay. All right. Jeez, I should have made these shorter. This is a mistake.
You may be here a while.
And I thought marrying you once was a dream come true.
Well, here we are again. I've spent the last year as your wife, and what a year it has been. I guess I must really like you a lot to have spent over a year with you in our small Cambridge apartment and still be here marrying you again. But in all seriousness, I could not have made it through this past year without your love, friendship, and support. You make my life so much better and make me feel special every damn day.
You've often said, "What would I do without you?" And as much as I appreciate the sentiment of that rhetorical question, the only truthful answer to it would be a hell of a lie. And so as I've worked on simply deserving to stand up here with you today, I've had front row seats to the many literal and metaphorical home runs you've hit and continue to hit in your life.
Biggest home run right here.
Yes.
If this past year has taught me anything, it has taught me to be so incredibly grateful for you and for all the small moments that we've gotten together, and so excited for the many more to come.
For me, it's no longer what would I do without you, it's what can't I do with you by my side. And as this dream I'm in continues for the rest of my life, I promise to keep earning your love every day, zealously pursuing that impossible smile of yours, and reminding you as often as I need to of the amazing human being that you are, and the unimaginable luck that I feel to forever be your cheerleader, not so secret admirer, and husband.
Can I kiss him now?
Almost. This far away enough, photographer?